Searching for the Origins of Human Life and Civilization Part 12. Tonight marks the final lesson of the series Searching for the Origins of Human Life and Civilization. First, I would like to return to the topic of the Inca Empire of Peru. Do you still remember this totem? This is a totem of the Inca civilization of Peru. I previously stated that the Inca Empire originated from China's Shang dynasty. Now let us look at another image. These two totems are exactly the same. This jade plaque painting comes from our group member Wei Bin, who was fortunate to collect over 100 Hongshan olivine meteorite plaque paintings. On the back of each piece, there are inscriptions. When enlarged and examined closely, all of these inscriptions show tool within tool marks. Among these characters, the one on the far left is a prehistoric Hongshan script symbol. With this group of olivine meteorite plaque paintings, we gain stronger evidence that even earlier than the Shang dynasty, a branch of Hongshan people had already crossed the oceans to Peru. This also aligns with the human civilization timeline I have proposed. Last time I spoke about the Maya, another branch went to Egypt. Our Hong Kong consultant, Mr. Cao, possesses many Egyptian Hongshan jade artifacts. All of these show Hongshan tool within tool marks, and some even contain Hongshan totems. In addition, I previously shared a Hongshan artifact that features the Hongshan Great King, the Sangzingdui divine figure, the Egyptian pharaoh, the Buddhist swastika symbol, and a Hongshan extraterrestrial, all appearing on the same object. From this, we can be certain that in prehistoric times, the Hongshan ancestors not only introduced civilization within Huaxia, but also crossed the seas to bring civilization to many other parts of the world. Now let us look at what happened between 100 million and 400 million years ago. Life began with cells, followed by the emergence of dinosaurs, the dominant rulers of Earth. Dinosaurs were enormous, and their era represents an extremely primitive stage of Earth's 400 million years. If a human civilization had existed 400 million years ago, then even in the face of catastrophic disasters, such an advanced civilization would have had the technology to build underground shelters for survival. If, as some claim, there were 4 previous high civilizations, could it be that none of them had the ability to preserve humanity? The dinosaur era alone lasted 400 million years, an unimaginably long period of time. We have only discovered petrified wood from Hongshan ancestors as proof that Hongshan culture already existed over 400 million years ago. Petrified fossils dating back 140 million years have also been found in Hongshan artifacts. At 3 million years ago, we can find Hongshan jet artifacts. At 15,000 years ago, Hongshan blackskin jade provides us with a clear and continuous historical sequence. Through Hongshan artifacts such as dragon embryos, various creatures, humans, and animals, we can observe the genetic creation of life. These embryos were clearly cultivated through genetic creation by our Hongshan ancestors. From the vast range of Hongshan materials, we have sufficient evidence to confirm that Hongshan culture exceeds 400 million years in age, and perhaps even more ancient. Therefore, after Earth was created by Hongshan extraterrestrials, the original human race on Earth was the Chinese race. Through long-term genetic modification, humans evolved from clawed beings into upright humans. Thus, the earliest human race on Earth was the Chinese race. When Earth stabilized and the human population increased, beings from other planets visited Earth. Upon discovering upright Chinese humans, they incorporated this first human race into their own genetics, creating other yellow races. Naturally, visitors from different planets brought their own technologies, scripts, and languages. After genetic mixing, many different yellow races emerged, each with distinct scripts and languages. This explains why, even among Asian yellow races such as Malays, Xinjiang peoples, Tibetans, Thais, Indonesians, and others, there are clear differences in appearance compared to pure Chinese people. Once different ethnic groups existed on Earth, some descended from Hongshan people. As a result, Hongshan ancestors continued to care for them and introduce civilization to them. This is why today we can find traces of Hongshan civilization in Egypt, the Maya, the Inca Empire, and the Maori of New Zealand. Most importantly, jade culture appears everywhere. The Maori have jade culture, Native Americans have jade, and the Inca also value jade. Later came the white race. Through further branching and genetic modification, countless races and civilizations eventually emerged across the world. Overall, however, the earliest civilized humans on Earth were undoubtedly the Hongshan people, and the earliest religion on Earth was undoubtedly Buddhism. I have spent a very long time researching this. Many memories cannot be spoken casually, they must wait for the right moment and supporting artifacts before they can be presented as evidence. You may not agree with the human progression chart I propose, but if you approach it with an open and balanced mind, you will understand that this understanding is a matter of destiny. Just as when I spoke of the Hongshan Buddha, Buddha appeared. When I spoke of the Maya, many Hongshan, Maya jade artifacts emerged, and when I spoke of the Inca Empire and Egypt, a large number of related artifacts appeared once again. The true face of Hongshan culture is indeed vast, profound, and unfathomable. We are the descendants of Hongshan extraterrestrials, and also the descendants of the dragon. Everyone should take pride in being Chinese.